Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I wanna start working on my Ducati Panigale V4 2022. As you can see, the bike looked like this. I will show you now the damage. So the steering bar is damaged, the wheel here is damaged, fuel tank, this rear fairing, the carbon fiber on exhaust, arrow exhaust is destroyed. Clutch cover. Hope the clutch, there is nothing with the clutch there because I didn't start the motorcycle. So the bracket for the headlamp and the gauge is destroyed. The brake pump is destroyed. How do you call it? The drive-by wire is destroyed also. There is no mirror and the side looks very nice. So what's the plan for now? I need to unscrew the front wheel. I will put the motorcycle on the stand. I will start the disassembly process of the Ducati.
Hold my breath just so I can hold you closer. Hold my heart just so I can feel it break. I'm alive, but I would never be a loner. To never love in all of my days. Living my darkest, love is the hardest. The faster I go. Gold in my pocket, I made a promise. And harder to hold. Love while I can't love it till my love runs out. Give while I can't give it till I hit the ground. Never love myself enough to let it down. I love until I'm down for the count. I love until I'm down for the count. I love until I'm down for the count.
So guys, as you can see, the work continues. I managed to unscrew the left and right fairing, also the front. I am very angry because when I was buying the motorcycle, the dash was not damaged, and you see here is a crack, so I don't know what to do with this. Basically I think the entire digital dash will be working, but this front glass is broken. But you know, shit's happened. Nobody will pay me for this. Life sucks sometimes. As you can see, what I have to do now, I will try to unscrew the entire headlamp unit, and then I can put the motorcycle up and take the wheel. Because as you can see, the wheel is bent here. As you can see, the wheel is bent, and I have to replace the wheel. Okay, so time to work further. It is strange, guys, because I noticed this. I was starting to disassemble the entire front, and what I found, I was showing you the damaged glass on the digital gauge, but look here. I try to do a close-up. You see, it's hard to see, but you see this spot here, and someone was here. Maybe someone wanna steal this digital gauge, because here is sign. Someone put here a screwdriver. For sure, someone was here. And guys, as always, we have a problem. So to release the front fairing, here are such a small balls. You have to use that kind of key. Put it in and unscrew it. So, same here, and the fairing is loose. But someone changed the mirrors, because those are the aftermarket mirrors, Rizoma. And someone destroyed this bolt, you know, and I cannot put the, I can put the tool here, but it do that kind of thing, you see? So the bolt is damaged. And I think I have to cut this off. The bracket is, this bracket is piece of crap. And I think I will cut it here. And I will release the firing because I cannot remove the headlamp from this thing. I don't know. Maybe I will rip this apart. I need to decide.
Even though you never earned it. Sometimes I wish that I didn't care. Bleeding my darkest, love is the hardest. Face to face to face to
So guys, as you can see, I was able to disassemble the entire front. Now all I have to do is to disassemble the front wheel. So I will hang the motorcycle and I will disassemble the front wheel. Time to do this. Okay guys, so the motorcycle is on the lift. I have the lift, but this is a Chinese crap. I don't know, maybe not Chinese, but it's old piece of shit. So I secured the motorcycle using the ladder, using the ladder as one strap. Now I can take this front wheel lift off and I will disassemble the front wheel. So guys, I am driving now with the front rim, basically with the front, the entire front wheel to my friend's company. He don't like to fix motorcycle wheel, but I will ask him very nice, and I will give him two pieces of honey. And maybe he will fix the wheel for me. So wish me luck guys, and I cannot record there of course. I will show you sneaky peeky pictures like always. So meet me in the place. O. Co tam jest, Boni? Okay guys, so this will be it in today's episode. Thank you very much for watching. I know it's been a while, but I have few things to do. I will show you the update in the next video because I am still working on the workshop. I will show you the update, and in the meantime I will invite you for the next episode, and I will be painting the Ducati, and of course I will assemble the motorcycle. So thank you for watching and see you all to the next time. Woohoo!